If you're playing Palworld like me, you know that this fucking thing, AI core is a menace. So it's really really time consuming and creating this one. But on the end game, most of the items, for example, this one, the wing pack, you need AI core for that one. Also, some of the this one, the lightweight, you need AI core. So basically, in the end game, you almost need you for almost all the things that you need to craft, you need AI core. So this is what I freaking did. So I didn't expect. So this is, by the way, on my other monitor screen. So when I'm playing Palworld, so this is my main monitor, and then this is my second monitor, and this is what I'm looking when I'm playing the game on my second monitor. So in this one, I actually like created an automation for AI core to somehow what do you call this, somehow show me like how the quantity of each materials and each basically raw materials and crafted materials that I need. So for example, in this one, we're going back in here. This is the lightweight ancient armor, so it needs 6 ancient core. So I just need going to input 6 on this one, and then boom, it will show you all. For example, this one, need 30 materials. But in order to craft 30 materials, you need circuit board plus steel, bio batteries, and carbon fibers. So it also show the quantity of this one, and also show the quantity of the materials you need in order to craft one. So in here is the total raw materials that you needed. So because if you're looking here, basically, for example, this one, there's a carbon fiber in this one, and then there's a carbon fiber in this one. So it's somehow kind of confusing. So that's why I created this total raw material. So yeah, manufacturing, bitches.